back to Health and Life. I'm Catherine Barrett, and I'm joined now by Dr. Kyle Allen, Riverside's Medical Director of Geriatric Medicine and also Lifelong Health. Welcome, Dr. Allen.
Thanks, Catherine.
Well, thanks for being here. Now, you have received national attention for your work in geriatric medicine and also research. What brought you to Riverside?
Well, as a geriatrician, it was Riverside's commitment that they've had for a long time for older adult care, as well as their desire to apply innovation to further improve care of older adults across the continuum of care.
Well, how does that innovation then relate to managing chronic care? We're talking about, day by day, and sometimes people who have many issues.
Well, as you know, we've done really well with acute care and in technology, but as people kind of have gotten older, they kind of get a host of chronic conditions, and they need to have a better management of those chronic illnesses. And so the research is starting to focus more on how do we provide better case management, care management around chronic illnesses, as well as improving care for common syndromes or illnesses that may affect us as we get older, such as memory impairment or dementia.
Anyone who's had an older parent or relative deal with chronic conditions knows that there really can be a disconnect in their health care. As medicine changes, don't the health care delivery systems need to change too? Oh, absolutely. Just as I mentioned, we need to kind of redesign or retool the system to better manage this kind of growing population of older adults. And not only are we living longer, but we may be living longer with these chronic illnesses or common conditions that affect us from older adults. So we need improvements in things like care transitions, care coordination, and the things that I mentioned before. Can you tell me, what does Riverside Health System plan as far as geriatric research?
Well, they've been doing it for a while. For example, we have a Center of Excellence in Aging and Geriatric Health that was established. And out of that center, we do clinical drug trials focused on older adult conditions such as Alzheimer's disease or memory loss. We also have a clinical kind of innovation side there where we're doing geriatric assessment, which is a specialized approach to a kind of a more comprehensive way, if you will, to work with the patient and their families in managing those conditions, as well as trying to apply innovative models, one of those being like the Acute Care for Elders unit, which is an innovative team-based model of proving hospital care for older adults.
Mike Martin talked briefly about PACE. How does that relate to the older patient?
Well, PACE is really would be considered another innovation, a program of all-inclusive care for the elderly. Again, a team-based model, really focused at those older adults who may have very advanced chronic illnesses. They're almost eligible for a nursing home, but this is a way to try to help them age in place using a team of physicians, nurses, therapists, social workers, and a specialized day center, if you will, where they get socialization and care.
And what does PACE stand for?
The Program of All-Inclusive Care of the Elderly.
As far as other models, this one I am very interested in. It's called the household model. We have, for so long, used nursing homes as the place to take care of our older parents, but maybe this will change.
Yeah, and that's the approach. People have kind of maybe kind of woke up and said, I don't really want the depersonal kind of institutional approach to nursing home care. And the household culture model of change, we're trying to install and implement across our entire division, as well as actually build what we call small homes or households. Where it will be more patient-centered, where you get up when you want and you go to bed when you want, and your meals are cooked. So the household runs more like a household and the person's home than an institution.
All these different models and services and providers. As an older person, it might be hard to navigate or negotiate all this. What's on the horizon to help them?
Well, we see that too, we've applied or have created what we call the Senior Navigator program, which is a kind of a one-stop call that can help people find these services and kind of get them to the most appropriate place, answer some of their questions about where would be the most appropriate place to get their needs met within Riverside Health System.
Well, speaking of appropriate, it sounds like innovation is a really good word. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Allen. Enjoyed it.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information on lifelong health at Riverside and the innovative Senior Care Navigation Program, visit riversideonline.com/innovation or call 757-875-7880. We'll be right back.